Alright, folks. New video is in on George Zimmerman being arrested. This will solve all the arguments right here. Now I'm watching the video right here. I don't know if it's copyright rights to show the video. I'm seeing the police officer question him and arresting. He's in handcuffs. Okay, let me go back here. Right now what I'm looking for is blood on his face, and I'm looking for blood on the back of his head. Now the police officer swearing him might have peeked back there and looked at his head. Right now the back of his head is what I'm looking at now. Alright, I'm watching the back of his head, showing that a police officer is wiping his hands. Okay, let me go back. And this should prove if he's guilty as hell or innocent of his of defending himself so far, meaning that he was within the stand your ground law here. So right now the police questioning him, officer questioning him. He was in handcuffs. He was arrested. So we obviously know that he was in handcuffs during this incident. And right now the police officer is searching the back of him. He picks out, now he's wiping his hands. He see got some on his hands, maybe blood or some other. Now he's looking at the back of his head. See, the police officer see the back of his head. Okay, I see a little bit. It's still, the video's not, the camera ain't zoomed in close enough to it. This to show that his back of his head is bleeding. Okay, I don't see a bloody nose, so he said that he was hit in the nose as well. And they don't show it in. And I don't see no blood in his nose, so he might have lied about that.
To ePrint and eSmile, just log on.